This is for interscapular strength. So you're gonna draw your arms out to the side and you're on your stomach. You're gonna bring your arms to a T position. Let's start with thumbs down. You're gonna rotate your thumbs down. You're gonna bring your arms up towards the ceiling and control down. Good, and again. Another way to do this exercise, you can be hovering. So you lift your upper body a little bit off the ground. Good, and then you do the same thing, back and down. And she's doing a good job keeping her head neutral, trying not to extend the neck so much that the eyes are coming up. Now you can do the same exercise, come all the way down, thumbs come up to the ceiling, so rotating the arms out. You lift your arms up off the ground and control down. And then again, you can do the same thing in hovering. You hover and then draw the arms up, control down.